Hey there, welcome back to Mama's Orchids and Backyard. This is just a short video on two small unboxing. I have one new orchid from Bredren's Orchids from Central Florida and one new one from Hausermann Orchids from Illinois area. And this one is Brassavola Yaki, which is nodosa variety dwarf times appendiculata. This orchid has been on my wish list for 3 years now. And when I saw that Bredren's Orchids had it, I didn't hesitate and jumped on the chance. We did a group order, so shipping was free. Since this orchid was on a group order, it was unboxed already for me, so this is how it came to me. The blooming is very exotic with long petals and sepals hanging down. This may be blooming size already. I see tiny sheaths in the middle of the leaves. Now you know how I like to pull the orchid right out of the pot to see what's underneath when I see that there is no roots sticking out around the rims of the pot, nor do I feel that the orchid is well anchored. So let's do this. That's not so good. It seems recently potted and maybe recently divided as well. But Brassavolas are super fast growers, so we'll get this one going. And if they don't bloom this year, they'll bloom next year for sure. No big deal. This plant is still a healthy one. Alright, let's go on to the second orchid, which is a gift. So let's see what it is. And the plant is fairly heavy, so it seems like maybe they just recently watered it. This is Mituo, or Phalaenopsis Mituo, King Belina. This is funny because this is the second Phalaenopsis that I own that has a name tag. All the others are grocery store with no ID. Wow, looks really healthy. And it should be blooming size next year according to Hausermann's website. The blooms are pink with yellow edges, and it will be a summer bloomer. The leaves are really succulent and very large spans. I'm really excited to grow these 2 new orchids. Alright, well, that's all for this short video. Hope to see you next time. Have a good day, everyone. Bye-bye.